There's nothing worse than having a sick kid, knowing that you have to be there for them, but your job is pulling you away. You've got other responsibilities, because if you don't show up, you don't make that paycheck. Hi, my name is Michelle and I'm a mom. Used to work 50 hours on corporate. I often felt like I had to choose between my kids and my job, and I couldn't be the present parent that I wanted to be. So I started looking, and I found a process that taught me the skill how to make $900 in daily pay, working from my smartphone from anywhere in the world. So I started my own online business as a complete side hustle, had zero knowledge, did not have any kind of prior experience or big followings. And the best part was I didn't have to commit to any kind of monthly fees, but I could just show up and become coachable, learn a skill, and I could implement it throughout the pockets of my day. And now I literally had sick kids for 7 freaking days, still home looking after my kids because they're not better. But I don't have to rush back to a job because I know I've got financial backup. My side hustle just paid $1,000 into my account this morning, giving me that peace of mind, knowing that I'm okay. My kids will be okay. So if you want the same peace of mind and you are so tired, feeling torn between your responsibilities and being a good mom, that constant guilt of feeling like you're failing your kids, then drop a yes in my comments, because I'm going to share this blueprint details with you.